Right. Right. Good morning, everyone. Online students, good morning. Can you hear me? Can you see the screen? Kindly please respond to the chat for me, guys. Online students, please check. Can you hear me? Can you see the screen? Come on, respond to the chat for me. Perfect. Perfect. Yes. A very, very good morning, guys. A very, very good morning. So, yes, you can hear me. You can see the screen. All right. Let us start our today's session. So, guys, yes, before starting our today's sessions, as always, let us just try to have a very, very small and a quick recap are the concepts which I had covered in our last session. So actually from last 1 week onwards, we've been discussing about session management. So you know already what is a session. It's a time period between user login and log off. And there are different ways are there to manage the user's session, like by using cookies, HTTP session, URL rewriting, hidden form fields. So first starting we discussed about cookie. We already did a small project on that. And now today, from today onwards, yeah, we already covered theoretical information related to HTTP session, URL rewriting, and hidden form fields. But we did not discuss anything related to coding. So from today onwards, we are going to start a project which involves HTTP session, URL rewriting, and hidden form fields also. All these three concepts will be covered in this particular project. So I'm guessing this project may be completed within 4 to 5 days, maybe 5 to 6 days, depending upon the way how you are writing the code. So in this project, mostly you will write the code. Okay. Whenever a new concept comes, definitely I'll try to help you with that. Like, for example, up to now, we did not discuss anything about HTTP session. So that lines of code, I'll let you know. Am I clear with that? All right. And by the way, just one last time, please tell me, we know that we will be able to set the attributes on three objects. Setting the attributes on three objects. What are those three objects? Servlet request, servlet context, HTTP session. We already discussed about servlet request. We already discussed about servlet context. So from today onwards, we'll see HTTP session also. And I already told you what is the difference between servlet context and config. But again, with the help of separate code, we'll be trying to look at it. Wait for it. So this week, entire this week, we'll speak about mostly our project. Is that clear? So basically, this is the layout for that. Feel free to open your laptops, everyone on. Uh, this is the layout. What do you think? I'm sorry. First, you want to write, or else first you will code this layout. You will try to write it in your notes so that you will be able to refer. Na? I'm sorry. Please write it in your notes. Go ahead. There are different parts are there. This is actually part one. There are a lot of parts are there. Nearly 5 to 6 parts are there. Please have this in your notes first. Sorry, my mistake. Please write part one layout in your notes. Come on, go ahead. And I guess easily you'll be able to complete this part one. Go ahead. The only new thing is HTTP session. I'll explain that HTTP session. But first have this layout. Go ahead, please. Again, when you're speaking about advanced Java, first output we need to imagine. Keeping that output in our mind only, we'll be able to write the code. Please. Go ahead. Write the layout, please. Oh, by the way, hidden form fields notes is pending, na? Hidden form field notes is pending. Whenever that concept comes, I'll let you know. Let's first try to go with this one only. Write the layout, please. First, write the layout. start. First, right. Make sure to use exactly the same names, please. Absolutely okay. Take time. As I said, I want you to do this code. Let's see. In the meantime, let me show the database also. Online students, if writing completed, kindly please try to message me in the chat. Online students, please make sure to message me if it is done. Okay. I guess it's completed. Is layout done, guys? Writing layout completed? Okay. Now, guys, you please tell me, basing on this layout, first what we need to do? I'm sorry? Create database, obviously. How many tables? 3 tables. And now, in these 3 tables, only in admin table, pass one row, pass one record, only for admin. Remaining customer and product, no need to pass anything. We'll try to pass the data directly from our project. Okay. So these, just a second. Let me try to, this is admin, this is customer, this is product, and this is admin data, which is present in my system. Go ahead. Go ahead. I gave all varchar only just to avoid the complexity. Feel free to write, no problem. 3 tables and pass only one record. Okay, guys, according to here project, this is the data which I have given, admin values. Feel free, you can change the admin values according to your requirements. I don't mind. But rows, I mean column names, make sure to give exactly like this, please. Am I clear with that? Column data, it's your wish. But names, please make sure to give exactly like that. So everyone will be having that, you know, uniformity. creating database tables completed? And start the code, start the project. Please give the project name as e-commerce. Shall I remove this database? Shall I remove database? No? Right. Carry on, carry on. That's the project name, e-commerce. Let's online e-commerce better. No, not required. Just try to go with e-commerce. That's it. Okay. I am removing this database. Shall I remove? Okay. The project name, dynamic web project, e-commerce, just e-commerce. Make sure to check dynamic web module version 4.0. Give a click on next, next. Make sure to select generate web.xml, finish. And now in this particular project, you know that we'll be using JDBC also. So add both the jar files in the build path. Go to new, select, okay, build path, configure build path, add external jars, servlet API and database jar file. And I told you to add database jar file in the lib folder. Copy paste it. Please make sure to do that. Webnf lib. That's it. So follow the layout. Tell me first what we need to create. Admin login. I mean index.html. Go ahead. Feel free. I am not going to give the code. You try to do it by your own. Up to login servlet, you need to complete. Okay. Guys, please check this. I want you to complete. I want you to complete index.html. Hang on. Better. Okay. Okay. I want you to complete index.html, admin login.html, this entire DAO layer, entire, just, okay. All this layer I want you to complete up to here. Admin login servlet, don't create. I'll do that up to here. Come on. So totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pages you need to write. Start. Carry on. Online students, I guess you are following. If possible, I request you to kindly please try to message me in the chat, guys. Is it okay? Online students, I'm not giving the code. I'm asking you to do it by your own. Please respond definitely after, by maybe after some time, like 15, 20 minutes or half an hour. I'll give you the code, but you just try please first. Project name is e-commerce. Just go with the project name as e-commerce. Okay, good. Feel free to refer your previous projects. I don't mind. How many of you completed index.html? Carry on. Next. Okay, just try to make it as just a small heading, italic. Okay. After that, form action, form action. You know what? Not form action. Directly, I need to give the anchor tags. So form action is not required. Form action is not required. A do anchor tags, admin login, customer login, admin login to customer login. Okay, for admin login, href, admin login admin, admin login dot html, and for customer login, customer customer login dot html. Okay, just let me try to use two break statements. Done. Web.xml. Let me just try to give index.html. Done. Okay. Let me just try to execute. Right click, run on the server. Select the server, give a click on next. Yep. Admin login, customer login. Cool. Now here, if I gave a click on admin login, it should be going to admin login.html. So obviously we need to create one more new HTML admin 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 login dot html. Okay. Give a click on next and finish. Admin login admin admin login dot html. Okay. Now inside this, just center tag h1. Okay. Just for understanding purpose, I just want to write u admin admin login. Okay. Just br, two break statements. Now admin login. Obviously user and password. So here we need to go with the form. Okay. Now here ACTAN form action equal to, let me just try to go like a log, admin login, a log, method post. Okay. Now username input type equal to text, name equal to name equal to a name, just like this. Okay, exactly the same password. PASSWRD password. Input type equal to, you know that we need to go with password. Name equal to APWT. That's it. Now after that, input type equal to submit. Input type equal to submit and a value LOGIN, login. That's it. Okay. Let me just try to check that. Yeah. Refresh admin login. Yes. Username, password, login. As simple as this. Now, after that, what we need to do, user and password, we need to go to admin login solid. But first, we need to go with the DA1. Let us try to create, yeah, Jyoti, absolutely. Let's try to create DAO package. Make sure to give the package names correctly. com.dao, com.servlet. Make sure to give them correctly, please. com.bean. Okay, so new package com.dao package finish. And obviously I need a servlet package also. So new package com.servlets servlets servlets. And I need one more package for bean. You already know that. New package com.beans package. Just I'm going to write like this. Finish. Okay. Now inside this DAO class, DB connect, DB info, exactly the same. Yeah. First, we have written DB info. Basically, that's an interface. After that, we wrote DB connect. Done. Now, what we need to write? DB info, DB connect is already done. Admin, login, DAO. Sure. You know what? Not admin, login, DAO. We need to get a bean class now. Yes, bean class. So first, right click, go to new class admin, ADMN admin bean. Okay, finish. Now insert this admin bean. Okay, implements serializable, implements serializable. After that, private private string. Okay. Just I'm going to write A underscroll. Better. Copy. Username, password, first name, last name, address, mail ID, and phone number. That's it. Now let me try to generate setters and getters. Select all. Generate. After that, make sure to write a public default constructor. Just like that. Done. Guys, this is not at all a new code. You already know this. Just simply setters and getters. That's it. Admin login.html, index.html, admin login.html. I guess it's complete for everyone. And currently, what you are coding? Or what you are coding? Bean class, DB connect, DB info, admin login DAO. How many of you complete admin login DAO? DAO is also done. This one, admin login DAO. You are working on it, right? You already know how to write that login DAO, checking username and password. Shall I write the code for admin login DAO or wait? Guys, I need you to please respond. Shall I write the code for admin login DAO or else shall I wait for a few minutes? Wait, please. Online students, please respond. Guys, you need to respond, otherwise I will not be able to know. Wait. Okay. Sure, fine. I'll wait for a few minutes. Go ahead. How many of you completed login DAO? Only 3. Right. No problem, right? What is the use if you're directly copy pasting? Write the code. Feel free to refer your previous code, guys. Compare. Just compare. And online students, if login DAO, admin login DAO is completed, I request you to kindly please try to message me in the chat so that I'll be able to know. And guys, whenever you are creating packages inside SRC folder, sometimes your Eclipse may show that the package is outside the SRC. You will think like that, but it's actually present inside the SRC. No problem. Please make sure to give a right click on SRC. I just want you to write admin login DAO. Don't go with admin login servlet. Please wait for it. Why? Because we need to deal with session. Okay, Sunita. Okay. Online students, please make sure to message me if it is done. Only one person messaged me. Others, I may not be going for further page if I'm not getting the message. Please make sure to give me a message in the chat box. Sumitra, Chinmay, that is good. Only 3 people. I'll wait for 5 minutes. After that, I'll write the code. Is it done for you, buddy? Done? Done? Working. Just wait for 5 minutes, okay? Let everyone complete. Online students, only 3 people messaged me. If it's done, I request you to kindly please message me in the chat. Yeah. Tejashri Govind, Shravan, that is good. Vinay, okay. Vivek, Vivek Suresh. Okay. Let me try to complete the DAO class. I gave you a lot of time. I need to create admin login DAO. Right click on the DAO package, go to new, select class, ADMN admin login DAO. Okay, finish. This is my DAO class. Inside this, let me try to create a method, public void check check admin login login check admin login. Please make sure to give your method names meaningful method names. Okay, so don't go with method 1 method 2 like that. Please make sure to give meaningful method names. And here, okay, string you name string upwd. Our return type for this, I'm going to write admin bean. Okay. So first admin bean, let me go like AB equal to null, return return null. First, let me remove that. Okay. Now after that, let me just try to write try catch exception exception e dot print stack trace method, and here db connect dot get con equal to con belongs to connection interface, and after that con dot prepare statement. And what is the query? SELECT select star from table name. What is the table name? Admin, ADMN admin, where you name equal to question mark and or comma. Come on. And keyword, just keyword. And keyword equal to question mark. Is the query correct? Select star from admin where username and password. That's it, done. And equal to PSTMT belongs to prepared statement. All right. Now after that, PSTMT dot set string one. This is you name. After that, obviously PSTMT dot set string two. That is UPWD. Okay. Now after that, pstmt.execute execute query. We already know that equal to rs belongs to a result set. Okay. Now please tell me what we need to use if or while. If is enough. If rs dot next, and here let me try to take new admin bean object. I'm going to give this to AB. Okay. Now after that, AB dot set username rs dot get string one. Copy. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Totally I'm having 7. Now after that, this is set uname, set password. Oh, it's okay. Set password. After that, what we are having? First name, last name, sure. Password, set first name, set last name, address, mail ID, and phone number. Okay. Set last name. After that, address, mail ID. Where is mail ID? MID and phone number. Phone number. Okay. Let me just try to use like this. This is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just like that. Username, password, first name, last name, address, mail ID, and phone number. Done. Everything is done. Okay. I added to those to my object and I'm just returning that object. That's it. AB. All right. So this is admin login DAO. I'm gonna give you a minute time for everyone. Feel free to check. If anyone did not complete it, feel free to check. 1 minute. After that, we'll move on to login servlet. Everyone completed? 1 minute for every others. 1 minute. Okay. So let's try to create servlet. We already done with index.html, admin login.html. DOI is also completed. Now we need to deal with admin login servlet. Sure. Let's try to create servlet. Inside com.servlets package, go to new, select a class, ADMN admin login servlet, LOGN login SERV. Okay, admin login servlet. Finish. So we already know this. Admin login servlet, extns extends, HTTP servlet. And first, let me try to write the annotation. What is the annotation we have used? I think a log. Yeah, sure. A log slash. Yeah, slash a log. Now, after that, we use the post now. PROTECTD protected void do post method. Okay. And I told you Make sure to use the annotation at the rate override, and after that, HTTP servlet request REQ comma HTTP servlet response RES, just like that. Done. Now let us try to call the method. Which method? This method. Check admin login. So new admin login DAO dot check admin login request dot get parameter like this. Same. Basically, whatever the data which is entered by the user, same data I'm going to pass. So in our admin login, what is the name? A name, and here APWD. Done. Return type is it's a bean. So equal to A bean belongs to admin bean. Okay. Now if A bean equal to null, what do you mean by that? If A bean equal to null means there is no session. There is no session. So yeah, just write the same thing. Request dot set attribute. I'm just going to write message, and here simply se session expired. Session expired. Now I will forward this. Request dot get request dispatcher to admin login.html. Okay. To admin admin login.html dot forward request response. I did not write this inside try catch. Not required actually. Let me just try to write throws servlet exception comma IO exception. Okay. Now else part. First right up to here. Now in the else part, guys, yesterday whenever you are writing the theory, I told you there is one method to acquire HTTP session object. What is that method? It's a two-version method, one without any parameters, one Boolean parameter, I told you. Say loudly. Get session. Get session. The method name itself is get session. And yeah, yes. So here request dot get session. Its return type is SESSN session, HTTP session. HTTP session. Okay, done. Now I'll be trying to set the attributes on this session. Okay, session dot set attribute admin bean, and I'm passing my a bean as a parameter. Session dot set attribute. Now request dispatcher, you need to forward to admin home.jsp. So request dot get request dispatcher admin home dot JSP. Okay. After this, you need to create admin home dot JSP. You already wrote that layout in your notes. Admin home dot JSP, you need to create. You already have that layout in your notes. Online students, after completing admin home.jsp, this is admin home.jsp, feel free to send me your screenshot. I don't want you to do just the anchor tags, that's it. In admin home.jsp, just the anchor tags. Go ahead. And online students, if completed, kindly please make sure to message me in the chat if it is done. Okay. Mohammed, you're asking, sir, how get session will give session information of that particular admin? Because, we didn't provide any type of reference. Absolutely, Mohammed. Here we are using get session method with the help of REQ request. This request is actually the parameter for this method do post. This do post method is present inside HTTP servlet. This HTTP servlet is a child class for admin login servlet. So that is the reason you will be getting information related to this admin login servlet. Clear? Great. Right. You will be getting exceptions. You will be getting database problems. Right? I want you to try. How many of you guys completed offline students? 3, 4. Only 4. All right. Okay. Guys, you need to figure this out. Admin home.jsp. Remember, in admin home.jsp, you need to display the name of the admin. Display the name of the admin. And after that, add product, view product, logout. These are the anchor tags. So tomorrow we are going to discuss that. Right? Dot. That's it. That's it for today. So today, what are the concepts which covered? First, we started with index.html. Feel free if anyone wants to take a screenshot. Feel free to take a screenshot. Index.html. After that, admin login.html. After that, DB info, DB connect, admin bean, you know it, admin login DAO, and finally, admin login servlet. Guys, tell me one thing. Whenever you are looking at this layout, you are able to write the code by your own, na? Please, I need your response, guys. Enough. That's what I told you. Actually, you did not wait it for me. Did you observe that? You start writing the code by your own. As I said, 3 phases. Phase one, I'll write, you will write. Phase two, we both will try to write the code. Right now, you guys are in phase three. You're not waiting for me. You are writing the code. So we'll continue this by tomorrow. Thank you. Thank you for listening. Online students, I guess you enjoyed our today's sessions. If possible, I request you to kindly please try to message me in the chat. Yeah, that is good. See you guys. See you tomorrow. Thank you. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.